no, Jared, don't fuck with it. It's about to do something sick. Look, watch.
Yeah, I'm gonna take a video of what it does. Watch. It just took a box out and opened it, ate it, and then came back for more.
I don't know how he opened this box. And he knows that box is empty. Like,
Yeah, and then he got another box. He's trying to get a bag.
Yeah. We're going viral, dog.
Yeah.
We're gonna get hella views on it.
Oh my.
We're into the fucking like news station and all that.
You made it. Oh my god.
Dude, America is messing up with the birds.
No, dude,
This bird's just hella smart.
Oh,
He knows nothing's in the
Dude,
bag.
he knows there's nothing in that
He's
bag.
like, fudge.
He
Dude,
knows
we're going viral.
it. Shh, chill out, chill out.
What's he gonna grab now?
He's like, get this bag out of the
Yeah,
way.
he's trying to get the bag out of the way.
This bird's making so much mess, it's pulled like 3 things out of the trash.
I really want the bird to pollen. I think it's so cool.
Dude, there's something down there that he wants. He's trying to get other stuff out of the way.
He's emptying it. That's two boxes he's empty.
Dude, he's making a huge mess. We're gonna get in trouble because we're just watching.
No, chill. Jared, sit down. Jared.
Should I keep taking?